Hello everyone, today I have a review of another Benchmade Switchblade replica, model 4300 CLA. A black pouch. Total length is 19.9 centimeters, blade length is 8.6 centimeters, blade thickness is 2.9 millimeters. According to the markings, the steel of the blade should be Magna Cut, but it's probably 9CR18 MOV, tempered to approx 59 HRC, flat grind, satin finish, opening with a push button. A safety switch prevents accidental opening. A Benchmade logo on the blade. On the other, CPM Magna Cut. The handle scales are made of white G10. Anodized copper color push button. And the deep carry pocket clip. With an image of a butterfly. A hole for paracord. In summary, a nice comfortable switchblade, very good mechanics and workmanship, the spring works nicely. There is nothing to complain about. That's all, thanks for watching.